Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to sign in and use Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a free image creation tool that uses generative AI to create images on demand. Users can enter text and image prompts to generate multiple images at once. First, open up your browser and type Leonardo AI. Click on the first website you see. You can either launch their app or create an account with their website. Leonardo offers users a diverse range of image creation and editing capabilities, so you don't need any credit card to open an account with their website. Now just tap on create an account. You can sign up with your Apple ID, Google ID, or Microsoft account, and you can even log in with your email and password here. Today I will be using my Google account. Just tap on Google, select your account, tap on continue. To get started, you have to pick your username and give your interest here. Just click on your interest. If you're not over 18, you cannot use Leonardo AI. Before signing in, you have to know what is NSFW content. It is an abbreviation for not safe for work, used when sharing internet material that should only be looked at in private because it contains some things for example, pictures of naked people that could be offensive. Now tap on confirm and next. Now at the surface of Leonardo AI, you will see 5 key features here, which is image generation, real-time canvas, real-time generation motion, and canvas editor. Now, if you want to create a new image with AI, you have to tap on create new image. Now at the right side, you will see type a prompt text bar. You can put any of your ideas here and generate your prompt to an AI image. When you first open an account with Leonardo AI, the app gives you 150 tokens. So when these tokens come to an end, you won't be able to generate any more AI pictures with Leonardo. At the right side of the prompt, you can see generate and 8 tokens. That means this image generation will require 8 tokens here. Now just tap on generate and scroll down to see your generated images. At the left side, you will find different types of image enhancing options. You can also choose how many numbers of images you want to generate. Now tap on any images you like. Under the image, you will find download icon. Tap on download and you will be able to download your file as a JPG version. In the home page, you will see recent creations from the Leonardo community. You can also use these recent creations as these pictures are public and royalty free. You can also click on the prompt details and generate this in the image generation section. You can also download these files. And if you go to application programming service, you will see all interface plan for your account. You can tap on subscribe to a plan to see your pro, standard, custom plans. Now, if you want to log out from your AI account, scroll down until you see logout. Just tap on logout and you will be logged out from your account. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.